Google Bard AI tutorial, how to use Google Bard, or is it better than Chatgpt? Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video we are going to look at Google Bard and how you can use it, or how much efficacy Google Bard has, or is it gonna beat Chatgpt, or is it better than Chatgpt? So let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you what is Bard. Bard is a platform that is AI generated, which is a professional platform that can answer all of your questions just like ChatGPT, but it is powered by Google as ChatGPT is powered by OpenAI. So, how is it different from ChatGPT? Why would people use Bard, and is it better than ChatGPT? We are gonna find out in this video, so watch till end. So, as you can see that I have bard.google.com open for me on my browser, and you can see here Bard can draft a design for you. Bard can help you explain to your kids why the sky is blue. Bard can write some lyrics for your heartbreak anthem titled Lovesick. So these are all the things that Bard can do. Landscape inspiration, island trip plan for a group and export it to docs. Meet Bard, your creative and helpful collaborator, here to superchange your charge your imagination, boost your productivity, and bring your ideas to life. Bard is an experiment and may give inaccurate or inappropriate responses. You can help make Bard better by leaving feedback. So right now it is Bard and it is being experimented. It is not completely launched in the market because it is being looked upon. It is basically getting feedback by different people who use Bard, and after they try Bard they can tell people if it is giving any glitches, if they're having any problem with it. So after the experimentations are done completely, then the Bard will be completely public. So terms and privacy, your data in Bard, and I'm going to click on no thanks, everything is fine with me. Sorry, I can go down and terms of service, and I'm going to click on I agree. Okay, you don't have to go to no thanks, you need to agree to all of the terms and services, and after then you'll be able to get into a Bard. Bard is an experiment. As you try Bard, please remember Bard will not always get it right. Bard will get better with your feedback. Stay updated on Bard improvements. I'm going to continue. And now I'm Bard, your creative and helpful collaborator. I have limitations and won't always get it right. Okay, brainstorm a list of bonding activities for your summer retreat. So let's try the prompt that they have already given. Give me some ideas to surprise my movie loving friend on their birthday. Okay, this is a good one. So it has to basically give the ideas that are related to movies, because we have mentioned movie loving friends, so we have to make sure they get their special day as movielicious as it can. So here you can see that it has given me some ideas to surprise my movie loving friend on their birthday. Through a movie marathon, this is a great way to celebrate your friend's birthday. Watch all their favorite movies, and the best thing about Bard is that now it is giving pictures as well, which is not available on Open AI, that is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT doesn't have pictures inserted in the text or content that they create, no matter what. But Bard has added pictures from different websites like Sweetfi, and there is some from Pinterest and Movie Nights at Home. So these are the pictures that it has added, and these are basically the blogs, and I can visit these websites to get more information about the idea that it has given, like make the movie themed gift basket. So now if I want to make a basket, I can go to this website, which is Easy DIY Basket Family Movie Night, and I can follow the instructions and I can make a basket myself. This is a very good thing about Bard, that it basically browses the whole internet for you, and all the things that are related to the things that it is giving you as an idea, you can get it here. So rather than me going to Google and searching for a DIY family movie night basket or movie night related basket, something like that, I have to search it myself. Bard has already given it to me. So because it is powered by Google, so that's why every information that is available on Google can be integrated into Bard, which is like the most amazing thing that you can get, because Google is the only source of information that a lot of people use, and they can just go on search for anything on Google and they're going to get their answers. So the other thing about Bard is that it also integrates documents. It also retains the documents in its memory, so that whenever you want to get something that is related to that document, it can bring it up for you, and it can use its own knowledge by looking upon that document, and it can give you answers according to that. So once you are done with the first chat session, just click on reset chat and it's going to start a whole new chat with you. Then you have your Bard activity. If you want to go through a very past experience or a past query that you've asked Bard, you can go to the Bard activity and you're going to find it there. Then you have your FAQs. FAQs are frequently asked questions. There are the questions that are related to Bard, which are asked by different people. So you can go on and check these out if there is some kind of query, because the most common queries are normally in FAQs. Then you have your updates and then you have your help. So on these three dots, you can get the main menu, or otherwise you can just go on and minimize that so you have a bigger working space for your Bard and for your ideas to read, because it is a content creation platform. So the content that has been created need to be addressed and assured if it is right or not, and then you can go on and ask the Bard to generate it again if you didn't like the response, or change the tone if you didn't like it as well. You can Google the related searches and you can export this response that the Bard has provided you. You can basically give it a good response or bad response, thumbs as well. So after you're done, you can record your Bard prompt as well, or you can enter the prompt here by writing it and by sending it. So this is a very easy procedure. The using Bard is also very, very easy. It is very beginner friendly, and if it is better than ChatGPT or not, it depends upon what kind of work you need it for. If you both are almost the same, but Bard is right now in experimentation, so that means they're going to improve it and they're going to bring more updates so that people are more willing to use Bard than ChatGPT. So in order for ChatGPT to survive, it has to improve its ways as well. Other than that, both the platforms are amazing, and Bard itself is a very amazing platform that you can use in your daily life and in your professional life as well. So signing up to Bard is not a problem as well, because if you are already using Chrome, then the profile that you're using your Chrome onto your Gmail profile, then it is directly linked to Bard and you don't have to sign up differently. But if you don't have that Gmail, then you need to create a Google account, a Gmail account, and then you can get started with Bard, because Bard is powered by Google. As you can see, bard.google.com. So you need a Gmail account in order to start using Bard. But Bard is a very good platform that you can use, and the best thing is for me is that it looked upon all of the videos and pictures that are related to the theme that I have provided, and it is added it in them. Okay, so this is the option from which you can reset your chat on Bard. You can just click on this option and you will be able to start a new chat using Bard. And if you want to take a look at the previous conversations that you had on Bard, you can just click on this option right here, which is Bard activity. Open that and you're going to see all of the previous chats that are happened on Bard, that you are basically that the questions that you asked the chat bot. So here you can see that you in the yesterday every chat, all the things that I've asked Bard are here, and here you have an option to auto deleting activity older than 18 months. So you can change this option from this here you can change the tenure and time period of the chats that you want to contain. Like for example, I want to contain the chats that are up to 36 months, and this is the maximum option that you have. Bard is not going to contain chats that are more than 36 months old. So you can click on don't auto delete activity, so it will basically contain all the chats that you have for the lifetime that you have on Bard. So this was kind of it as the software Bard. It is an experimental chat bot, so you can go on and continue using them. Okay, so you can continue and keep using that, and it is really good. It is a really good bot that you can use instead of ChatGPT as well, and along with ChatGPT as well, because both have their own features. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Software is Made Easy. Thank you.